What is up, beautiful, healthy people? How are y'all doing today? It is Elmira again, your licensed massage therapist, helping you be a self-care boss. Today, I feel like this message needs to be said to at least one person, so I had to come on here and talk about it. It is about establishing daily gratitude. This is something that I had to learn to do for myself years ago. I would be in a consistent state of worry, especially worrying about money. I was worrying about, am I ever going to get married? I was worrying about, how is my business going to do? I was worried about, where am I going to live? I worried about so many things. And the way I let that go, I allowed God to lead me to focusing on daily gratitude. When I wake up every day, now some days I may skip, I'm gonna be honest and truthful with you now. Some days I might miss out, and those are the days that I don't feel so good. I wake up and I say thank you for even the smallest things. I say thank you that I can raise my arm above my head. I say thank you that I was able to attend my mom's retirement and birthday party back in September. I say thank you that I'm able to sing. I say thank you I got shoes on my feet. Thank you for food. Yeah, it may not be the best food, but I got food to eat. I just say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for my voice. Thank you for the heat in my car. Thank you for family that lives far away. Thank you for allowing me to make donut holes with my nephew. Thank you for allowing me the flexibility in my schedule when I can travel, whenever I want to. It just doesn't have to be a holiday when I travel. I can pretty much travel when I want. And I want you to do the same thing. Look at your life. What can you be thankful for on a daily basis? Not just around this time of year. We're all in this giving season of Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, and everybody's joyous and happy. To me, being a self-care boss is focusing on your self-care on a daily basis and doing those things, grinding out those things when everybody else is being lazy. I woke up this morning and got into a 6 a.m. workout class. That's what I had to do because I'm thankful that I'm able to move my limbs. How am I going to maintain my health if I don't put any action towards it? That's my message for you today. Think about the little things you can be thankful and grateful for on a daily basis. Don't wait until the special occasions. Tell people thank you. Send them a thank you note. Send them a thank you message. This morning, I sent a couple of people a thank you voice message. It's whatever you want to do. Allow your heart to lead you. Allow your spirit to guide you, and you will find a way to add more gratitude into your life today. I want to also let you know you can get my book, which is called Becoming a Self-Care Boss, 31 Days to Self-Discovery. Go to couturemassage.com/shop, and you can get your copy of the book today, and it will help you develop more gratitude and find more and learn more about yourself. Until next time, make it a relaxing day. Bye.